At Altenew, we value creativity and artistic expression. For 6 years, you have inspired us with your stunning crafting projects. This year, we hosted our first ever poetry contest to inspire you to be creative in a different form. We asked you to speak from the heart, and you all came through.
My mother's flowers. My mother's flowers, the surest sign of home, their delicate, robust bodies springing up through gravel or snow. In a thicket of perennials and weeds, or in the lawn under a walnut tree grown rogue with age and experience, those she planted unfurling along the walls, and beds she cut from lifeless ground, and those she didn't sprinkled across the yard. Spread by happenstance, like kindness, like love. At my desk, those flowers emerge, layer by layer, color by color, by stem and stamen, by leaf and by love. Paper effigies of those snapdragons in the gravel, of those crocuses in the lawn, of those roses grown wild over a lifetime of summers spent in the sun, an emblem of my mother's love. Her flowers, the surest sign of home.
We hope your poems inspire others just as they have touched our hearts. Thank you for sharing your love. Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.